How to turn off settings restricted by TikTok to protect your privacy. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's get started. First, you want to open the TikTok app on your device. Now, when I try to post something, here you can see some of these options are restricted. So if you want to turn off the settings restricted by TikTok, tap on your profile icon at the bottom of your screen. Then you want to tap on the three lines at the top right corner of your screen and tap on settings and privacy. Once you're here, tap on privacy and you want to turn this option off. So you basically want to switch to a public account, tap on switch. Once you have done that, head over to interaction section and make sure all of these settings are set to everyone. So if anything is not, you just have to change it manually into everyone. So once you have done that for all of these settings, you simply want to head back and now try to post the same video. So tap on next here, tap on more options, and as you can see, the restrictions has been removed. And that's it for this video. We hope you guys found it helpful. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.